So we're going to restore this i7-980X PC like this. We take the GTX 970 out, then the motherboard. The water cooler looks like a disaster, so it gets hoovered. Power supply is caked, so it's opened and cleaned, also hoovered. Water cooler then cleaned with IPA solution. Power supply then put back together and screwed back up. We purchased the CIT zoom case, which looks nice for the restore build. We put the IO shield in, next the motherboard. Water cooler goes in with fan, next the RAM. SSD and hard drive next. Annoying front connectors. The GTX 970 is going in now. Power connectors, and here is the result.